VMCE 2021 exam questions are newly updated to help you pass your exam and become a Veeam Certified Engineer. 1. Veeam 1 blank can detect when a potential ransomware attack is happening and be configured to take mitigating actions. A. Reporting. B. Alert management. C. Alarm management. D. Data protection view. 2. A Windows VM running on Microsoft Hyper-V is protected using the file indexing option. The guest interaction proxy is offline. Which of the following VM servers will be used to deploy the runtime during the backup process? A. Backup and replication server. B. Indexing database server. C. File proxy server. D. Virtual lab server. 3. What is necessary prior to configuring replica mapping? A. A VM backup in the production site. B. A VM replica in the disaster recovery site. C. A VM backup in the disaster recovery site. D. A VM replica in the production site. 4. A file on a Windows VM hosted on vSphere is corrupted and must be restored. VMware tools are installed and up to date on the VM. For some reason, the VM mount server cannot connect to the VM through the network. Which of the following restore methods provides the fastest restore, RTO? A. Run VM file restore wizard and let it restore through VIX. B. Start an instant VM recovery session and log on into the restored image to copy, paste the file to restore. C. It is impossible to restore the file on the VM if the mount server cannot reach it through the network. D. Run VM file restore wizard and use the copy to download the file locally in a shared folder. 5. Veeam Agent for Linux has been installed in standalone mode on a Linux physical server. The backup job is configured to write to a Veeam repository. Which of the following media types is available as a recovery media? A. ISO image. B. Veeam backup and replication repository. C. Object storage. D. Tape. 6. A Veeam administrator is concerned about keeping backups on site and has traditionally used tapes to store backups older than 30 days in order to free up space on their backup repository for longer-term storage. The company is currently using scale-out backup repositories. What option would satisfy the requirement? A. Copy to capacity tier. B. Move to capacity tier. C. Backup to object storage. D. File copy job. 7. A critical server in a Hyper-V environment has crashed and will not reboot. What is the fastest way to bring this server back online so employees can continue to work? A. Instant VM disk recovery. B. Entire VM restore. C. Instant VM recovery. D. Staged restore. 8. A Veeam administrator is creating a protection group that needs to back up all servers for the accounting department using Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows. New accounting servers must be automatically added to the protection group. How is this accomplished? A. Create a protection group that reads a .csv file listing the accounting servers. B. Create a protection group and set it to automatically scan every 3 hours for new servers. C. Install a configuration file on each of the accounting servers that adds it to the protection group. D. Create an Active Directory-based protection group targeted at an Active Directory security group. 9. Which of the following backup types are valid for both VM Agent for Microsoft Windows and VM Agent for Linux? Choose 2. A. Snapshot level backup. B. File level backup. C. Personal files backup. D. Volume level backup. E. OS level backup. 10. What data sources can be connected to VM1? Choose 2. A. VM backup and replication servers. B. Microsoft Hyper-V servers. C. VM backup and replication agents. D. Microsoft Azure VMs. E. Amazon Web Services EC2 instances.